Hello students, welcome to Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School online classes. Today I am going to start the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 11. Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 11. Question number first. If a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter and 1 centimeter deep, find the focus. Parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter. It means the diameter of the reflector is 20. Therefore, you can say AB is equal to 20 centimeter. And 5 centimeter deep mean this OM. OM is equal to 5 centimeter. Correct? Then find the focus. Find the coordinate of focus. Clear? You know that AB is 20 centimeter, then AM is 10 centimeter. And this is 5 centimeter. Can you tell me the coordinate of A? Coordinate of A, it means 5 comma 10. And you know very well the equation of right hand parabola, that is y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x. Clear? You know that the point 5 comma 10 lies on the parabola. Therefore, the coordinate of A satisfy the equation of parabola. Therefore, you can say 10 square is equal to 4a into 5. So, from this relation, you can find 4a. That is 100 upon 20. 100 upon 5. That is 20. Therefore, the value of A is 5. A is 5. It means the coordinate of focus is 5, 0. And you know that the coordinate of M is also 5, 0. The coordinate of M is also 5, 0. Therefore you can say M is the midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB as well as focus. Correct? This is question number first. Second, an arch is in the form of a parabola with its axis vertical. The arch is in the form of a parabola like this. And the arch is 10 meter high. Therefore, this AO is 10. AO is 10 centimeter. Correct? AO is 10 centimeter. And this CD means the base of the arch, that is 5 centimeter. CD is 5 centimeter. Clear? How wide is 2 meter from the vertex of the parabola? 2 meter from the vertex of the parabola. It means You have to find the length EF, and this length is 2 meter. Clear? You have to find EF. This is the question. An arch is in the form of a parabola with its axis vertical. The arch is 10 meter high and 5 meter wide at the base. How wide is it? 2 meter from the vertex of the parabola. This is the question. Now can you tell me AD, this complete is 5, then AD is 5 by 2. Therefore coordinate of D, that is 5 by 2 comma 10, and coordinate of this, let this is equal to, let PF is equal to K. Therefore the coordinate of this is K comma 2. Now can you tell me the equation of parabola, that is x square is equal to 4ay, x square is equal to 4ay, and you know that the point D lies on the parabola. Therefore the coordinate of D satisfy the equation. It means you can say 25 by 4 is equal to 4a into 10. Therefore the value of 4a, 25 upon this 10 is shifted to here, that is 40, 5 5 ja and 5 8 ja. Therefore put the value of 4a, put the value of 4a in equation number 1 here. Therefore you can say x square is equal to 5 by 8y. Correct? Now you know that the point F, whose coordinate k comma 2 also lies on the parabola. Therefore the coordinate also satisfy the equation. K square is equal to 5 by 8 into 2. Therefore K square is equal to, this will cancel, 5 by 4. So from this relation you can find the value of K, that is root 5 by 2, and we want to find this length EF. Therefore you know that EF is double of PF, and double of 2K. This length is K, and the value of K, you know, root 5 by 2, cancel, answer is root 5, and the value of root 5 is 2.23 meter. Clear? This is the answer of this question. Clear? This is the main question. You can check again. This is the equation of vertical parabola, x square is equal to 4ay, and you know that the point D satisfy the equation. From this relation you can find out the value of 4a, or you can find out the value of a. After that put this value in the original equation 1, and the situation is like that, x square is equal to 5 by 8y. After that you know that the f point also lies on the parabola, so therefore the coordinate of f also satisfy the equation. So with the help of this relation you can find the value of k, but you know that EF is twice k. So put the value of k, answer is root 5. In root 5 you can say 2.23. Okay students, thank you.